Best steam cleaners for car detailing. Steam cleaners can make car interiors look fresh with less effort. Many people search for the best steam cleaners for car detailing because steam helps loosen dirt fast. It also works well on trims, seats, and tight corners. In this video, we'll check out the top 5 picks, including strong options for beginners and detailers who want quick results. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best steam cleaners for car detailing. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Bissell Little Green. The Bissell Little Green stays popular because it helps with stains on seats, mats, and carpeted areas. Many shoppers searching for the best steam cleaners for car detailing still end up choosing this model because it handles soft interior surfaces well. It does not use steam, yet it removes spills and marks that regular cloths fail to lift. This makes it useful for car owners who deal with food stains, drink spills, and old marks stuck in fabric. The tank size works well for short or medium sessions. You can clean front seats, back seats, and mats without stopping often. The hose length is practical for most cars. You can reach tricky spots without moving the machine around too much. The 4-inch tough stain tool grips well and helps deal with stubborn spots quickly. It pulls dirty water out fast, which helps surfaces dry sooner. Quick drying is helpful because you do not want damp seats after cleaning. The unit is small and light, so you can carry it easily and store it in tight spaces. Another helpful feature is the Hydro Rinse tool. It lets you rinse the hose after cleaning, so residue does not stay trapped inside. This keeps the tool fresh for the next job. This model works best for people who care about fabric cleaning rather than heavy steam tasks. It is simple, easy to learn, and effective for everyday interior care. Verdict: best for users who want fast stain removal on seats and carpets. A great pick for basic interior cleaning needs. Number 2. KOUTOP Handheld Steam Cleaner. This KOUTOP handheld steam cleaner is a strong pick for buyers who want an affordable and simple option. Many people searching for the best steam cleaners for auto detailing look for fast heat and useful attachments. This unit warms at about 15 seconds, so you can start working without long delays. It has 3 handle levels which control steam flow. You can use the lower level on delicate areas, the medium level on trims, and the higher level on tougher spots. This gives you flexibility for different interior tasks. The water tank is larger than many handheld models, so you get a longer runtime. The package includes 16 accessories. These tools help reach narrow gaps, clean plastic panels, scrub small marks, and freshen fabric lightly. Each tool adds value and helps you cover more areas inside the car. It works well in corners, edges, and other tight spaces where bigger machines struggle. Steam output stays steady for normal use, which helps loosen dirt and fingerprints on common touch points. It also works for simple home cleaning, but it shines best in auto interiors because of its size and attachments. If you want heat without carrying a big unit, this model is a smart choice. Verdict: perfect for buyers who want the best budget steam cleaner for car detailing. Great for beginners and car owners who need a simple, low-cost steam option.
Number 3. PHUEUT Handheld Pressurized Steam Cleaner. The PHUEUT Handheld Steamer is a compact unit built for small and medium interior jobs. Many people looking for the best steam cleaner for detailing want something light that does not tire the hand. This model fits that need well. It is easy to hold, easy to move, and quick to warm. The unit comes with 12 accessories. These pieces help you handle many areas of the car. The brushes help with marks on plastic trims. The long nozzle reaches narrow areas such as vents, seat rails, and tight seams. The wider tool helps with larger surfaces like panels or mats. The steam stays steady and works well for dust, mild stains, and small grease spots. It does well on steering wheel buttons, door handles, cup holder edges, and other areas that collect fingerprints. It helps loosen dirt where cloths and sprays struggle. You can reach corners without bumping into seats. The lightweight helps during long sessions, which is useful for car owners who clean often. This unit is not meant for deep carpet extraction or heavy-duty tasks. It works best for regular interior upkeep, touch-ups, and light cleaning sessions. If you want a simple handheld tool that fits tight spaces and does not feel complicated, this model is a good choice. Verdict: ideal for users who want a light handheld unit for vents, trims, seams, and small interior tasks. Number 4. ODSD Steam Cleaner with Large Tank. The ODSD Steam Cleaner suits users who need longer runtime and steady cleaning strength. Many people looking for the best steam cleaners for car detailing want a unit that can handle full interior work. The 1.6-liter tank supports long sessions without frequent refills. You can begin cleaning quickly, which saves time during busy sessions. It features 3 steam levels. Lower settings suit delicate screens. Medium settings work well for trims, plastic panels, and general surfaces. Higher settings help with dirt on mats, footwells, and tougher spots near pedals. You get 15 attachments with this model. Brushes handle marks that need extra scrubbing. The long nozzle reaches tight spots. The fabric-friendly piece helps refresh seats lightly. These tools give you many options for different sections of the interior. The unit is heavier than handheld models, but the longer runtime makes it useful for deeper cleaning. It offers steady steam output through most of the tank, which helps maintain a consistent pace during work. This model works well for bigger tasks, including dirt buildup in cup holders, grime near the console, and messy footwells. It can refresh fabric, but does not replace a true extraction machine. The controls are simple. You fill the tank, choose your level, and attach a tool. It fits both beginners and car owners who clean more than one vehicle. Verdict: best for buyers who want long runtime, stronger performance, and more attachments for full interior cleaning sessions.
Number 5. Curved Handheld Steam Cleaner. The CURMED Handheld Steam Cleaner is a good match for users who want a light and easy tool for small jobs. Many shoppers searching for the best steam cleaner for car detailing want a compact model that fits tight corners. This one does that well, thanks to its size and simple design. The brush heads help scrub stuck marks. The narrow nozzle reaches tiny gaps around switches, vents, and seat seams. The wider tool works on panels, mats, and larger surfaces. These attachments make the tool flexible for most small and medium tasks. Its water tank gives enough runtime for short cleaning sessions. You can handle dust, mild grease, and small stains with steady steam. The unit helps loosen dirt in seams and corners, where most brushes cannot reach. The lightweight shape helps you move it easily inside the car. You can tilt it at different angles without strain. This helps when working around consoles, seats, and door areas. It warms up fast and uses a simple fill-and-go approach. There are no confusing steps. This makes it useful for beginners and car owners who only need quick refreshes. This model is meant for light cleaning work, not heavy tasks or deep fabric jobs. But for regular upkeep and spot cleaning, it performs well. Verdict: best for users who want a simple handheld tool for small areas and quick interior refresh tasks. Which steam cleaner should you buy? If your goal is strong steam with a long runtime, choose the ODSD model. If you want the best budget steam cleaner for car detailing, the KOUTOP unit is the clear tech. If you need a compact tool for tight areas, the CURMED steamer fits well. If your goal is stain removal for fabric seats and carpets, choose the Bissell Little Green. If you want a light steamer for simple interior tasks, the PHUEUT model works well.